Can you moonwalk barefoot without losing balance? It sounds tricky, but your body's balance system might surprise you. Let's uncover why barefoot moonwalking could be easier or harder than you think. Your ability to balance while moonwalking barefoot depends largely on your body's sensory input. The vestibular system in your inner ear detects motion and helps keep you upright. Your eyes also stabilize your position. But critically, your feet provide tactile feedback through nerve endings sensing pressure and texture. Wearing shoes dulls this feedback because of cushioning and soles. So, when barefoot, your feet get more precise information about the surface, which can actually improve your balance if you're used to it. Moonwalking is all about smoothly sliding one foot backward while keeping your weight balanced on the other foot. This motion demands fine muscle control and careful weight distribution. When barefoot, the friction between your skin and the floor changes. Too much grip can make sliding difficult, risking balance loss. Too little grip and your foot may slip unexpectedly. The surface matters a lot here. Smooth floors like polished wood or tile are ideal for barefoot moonwalking, while rough surfaces can trip you up. Dancing barefoot strengthens the small muscles in your feet and enhances proprioception, which is your body's awareness of position and movement. This can improve your overall balance and control during moonwalking. Many professional dancers practice barefoot to develop a better connection with the floor. However, it takes practice to adjust your technique for barefoot sliding. Over time, your body adapts, making barefoot moonwalking smoother and more balanced. While barefoot moonwalking has benefits, it also presents challenges. Without shoes, your feet are vulnerable to cuts, scrapes, or bruises from rough surfaces. In addition, inexperienced barefoot dancers may slip more easily if they misjudge surface friction. It's important to practice on smooth, clean floors and build up your technique gradually. Wearing socks or dance slippers can be a helpful intermediate step if you want to transition smoothly from shoes to barefoot. So can you moonwalk barefoot without losing balance? Absolutely, if you understand how your body senses the ground and adapt your technique. Barefoot moonwalking can actually boost your balance and foot strength with practice. Ready to glide smoothly without shoes? Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.